Good morning, guys. So, I want to get my hair ready. This was for yesterday. So now I want to get my hair ready before going to ASO. Hope you guys are well. Kindly, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. It's a good morning here. I don't know what is the time in your country. Wait, it's inching. But yesterday I applied the oil. That's not a problem. Right now, what I just have to do is to massage it. Yeah. So I want a quick style. I don't want something. Just want something very simple. Because time. I need to take tea, even I haven't taken tea. I must take tea because at work, where I work, we are not given tea. At the same time, we are not given lunch. So if I don't take tea at home, oh, there's no way I can survive. So you can see that I just want something very simple like that. You see that? Something simple. So I'm going to untie to undo this one. Is it untie or undo? Any can do, yeah. So this one is big. It's really inchy. Oh yeah. So with this one, I'm going to get little here because I don't want it to be the bigger one like the one I did yesterday. I don't want it to be too big. Yeah, I think this is okay. This is okay, right? Then this one also, I want this one to be 2. Guys, I'm actually planning on going to remove these dreads, but I still don't know the specific place where to go and remove it, where they can remove it safely without breaking my hair. Oh yeah. Without breaking my hair. So that is what is holding me right now, because my dread is now 1 year plus 1 month. Yeah, it's now 1 year plus 1 month. So I'm planning on going to remove it because the way I'm seeing it is already started to lock, and I don't want it to lock like that. I don't want it to lock and become real dreads. Yeah, so that is what I don't want. So this is just a protective hairstyle instead of just leaving it like that. I don't know how it looks. Yeah, but it's better. I feel like I'm tired of going to the whatever, what is that? Even now I normally wash my hair alone at home. Maybe one day I will go and wash it from the salon, but I feel like I'm satisfied washing it alone since it's that time I want to remove it off. Yeah, just feel like it's okay. Instead of wasting money going to me, yo, every month, guys. At least I have tried one full year. with the dreads, with artificial dreads. It's not easy. So I feel like removing it, but if I don't succeed on getting a good loctician that where they remove the locks safely without any breakage, yeah, I know the breakage is there, but not that a lot of it. Yeah, so that's why I'm going to be patient until I get that loctician. So I'm done. Yeah, I think that's okay for today. That I've twisted some down of aside ones. So have a look at that. I know it's not that perfect, but at least instead of just leaving it like that. Yeah, that's okay for me. So and the dressing. The dressing. Oops. So guys, that's all. See you. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.